I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest video on the best beaches of Ubatuba, Brazil. My name is Jessica, and in this 4 Kelvin walking tour, I will take you on a mesmerizing journey to explore some of the most beautiful beaches in this stunning coastal city. Before we start, I would like to request you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below to let me know which beach you like the most in Ubatuba.
If you want to see the hottest video cast of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The calm and peaceful atmosphere of this beach makes it a perfect spot for a romantic stroll or just to relax and unwind while soaking up the sun. After that, we visit Praia de Ubatuba, a pristine beach with turquoise waters that are perfect for swimming and surfing. This beach is also known for its fascinating rock formations and the nearby Ubatuba waterfall, which you can visit for a refreshing swim after a long day at the beach. Finally, we end our tour at Praia da Sununga, a famous beach known for its sand dunes and waves. This beach is perfect for adventure seekers who want to try their hands at sandboarding or just enjoy a thrilling day at the beach. You can also take a boat ride from here to explore nearby islands and enjoy some of the best views of Ubatuba. And that brings us to the end of our tour of the best beaches of Ubatuba. I hope you enjoyed this 4 Kelvin walking tour and found it useful. Once again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below to let me know which beach you like the most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.